They had done the wheelie bar adjustment. Same thing's happening here for Matos. Now they move freely ahead.
Who are you with? What do you think? I'm just using your knowledge.
I'm picking an awesome final round. Honestly, it's a pick 'em, man. They run so consistently and so close throughout the course of the day.
Gonna be within 2. They're on. Ken Quartuccio, who's got the whole shot on this deal? Wow, Quartuccio goes down at 3.65 by 2. I told you it would be by 2. Quartuccio gets the deal, goes down, takes the victory.
31 thousandths at the finish line stripe. A 9:29.60 foot time for Quartuccio. 9:42 for Matos at the 3:30. 2:44 for Quartuccio. 2:46 for Matos. And at the finish line stripe, 3:65.2 beats a 3:67.7. Ken Quartuccio beats Raymond Matos in a stunning and awesome final round here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. A Pro Mod race that from the first pass of qualifying session 1 to the last run of the weekend in that category delivered some of the best action I think I've ever seen in Pro Modified Drag Racing, which is kind of what I say every time I come here, because it is.